Hi everyone, Tutorial Master here. Today I am going to show you how you can get Microsoft Office, which include Office apps such as Word, PowerPoint and Excel for free. Let's dive in. On your browser, search for office.com and it will open the Microsoft 365 Office app in front of you. Then go to the sign in option. Sign in with your Microsoft account, or if you do not have one, you can create by clicking on the create option. As I already signed in with my Microsoft account, so you will get this layout. On the left side, you can see that there are different apps of Microsoft Office available, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft OneNote. And here is the information available about your Microsoft account. So if you look at Word app, it will show you an interface like this. You have different templates available here in the down below, and your recent documents will appear here. And I am going to create a blank document. You can also upload a file if you have edited on the Word offline variant. You can also upload it to the OneDrive and then it will be shown here. As you should be familiar with this interface of Microsoft Word, we have different options available: home, insert, layout, references, review, view. So here you can type anything and you can make assignments or whatever you want to create on this free version of Microsoft Word. Now, if I go to Excel tab, it will open the Excel spreadsheet for me. And here will be the same interface like Microsoft Word, that you have different templates available here. And you can also upload a file from your computer and you can also create a blank workbook. It is also same like the desktop version. If you do not able to see the full bar, you can also click on the home tab and then go to the ribbon display options. Then select classic ribbon and then always show ribbon if the ribbon bar is not available. So here is the same layout of Excel that we use offline as well. And if you want to use the latest features of Microsoft Excel, you can use this web Microsoft Excel VM for free. And then there's Microsoft PowerPoint available. By clicking on Microsoft PowerPoint, it will open the Microsoft PowerPoint web app, and there are different beautiful templates available for your presentations. You can also upload an existing file if you want to upload. And as we are going to create a blank presentation, so by clicking on blank presentation, it will open the presentation view for me. So here you can create a blank presentation as you always create. So again, the ribbon is blocked. So if you want to show it, then go to the this bar and then select classic ribbon and then go to always show ribbon. So it will show that ribbon if you are not available. Then go to then there are also different apps available like Outlook, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft OneNote. And all the files you will access will appear here in your quick access search bar where you can search your apps for free. And if you can any existing documents, you can search here. And there is also a premium plan available for those people who want to purchase it. You can also get the premium plan by paying it yearly or monthly, and it will include the Office offline apps as well in your PC installed. So the difference between the free version and the paid version is that you should have more storage in the paid variant and more features as compared to the free variant. The free variant provides the basic functionalities of Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, and OneNote, which are of basic use. If you are use want to use them at advanced level and full potential, you have to pay to Microsoft and get these apps. So hope you like the video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Goodbye.